Hello, my dear tiny students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. I am glad to welcome all of you in a new session of mathematics. So, my dear students, we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. So, my dear students, try and try hard until you get success. Here we are going to start today's lecture. Before we start, everyone sit straight, make your back straight. Very good. So now tell me, how do you feel now? Relaxed? You all wants to learn something new? Okay. So let me tell you that right now revision session is going on. In this session we have completed the revision of fill in the blanks as well as number names 51 to 100. We also completed all the tables 1 to 5. So I hope that you all memorize the same tables. Do you? No? Then start learning. Okay? And if yes, then very good. Take the notebook, pencil and all the necessary things. Get ready for writing part. Write down date and day in this corner. Feel that you all are sitting in a classroom. So, while sitting in a classroom, how we start our writing part? First of all, we write the current date and day, na? Am I right? So, here in virtual class also we will start with writing the current date and a day. So in this corner write today's day and day. After that write down the heading revision essay 1. REVISION revision essay 1. Okay, so in this revision series what we are going to learn? From previous lecture we have started revision of at the following. So before we start our writing part, first of all I am going to inform you about the previous lecture so that if anyone lacks anything or there remains anything to write down or copy, they can make copy it with me. Okay? So here we are going to start our revision of at the following. But yes, of course, you all have to write the heading first. So write down the heading at the following. ADD add THE the FOLLOWING following at the following. Okay? Very good. First sum is 6 plus 3. So 6 plus 3. What we get? We get number 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We already have completed this. If anyone remains to copy, then copy it with me. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Those who remains the work, copy with me. Okay? 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. We get 10. 6 plus 5. 6, 5. We get 11. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 67 plus 2. In this sum, first of all, we have to solve the ones column, which is 7 plus 2. 9, as 6 is alone, there comes 6. 67 plus 2, we get number 69. If anyone remains to copy the work, try to copy it as soon as possible so that we can start the new one. 35 plus 3. Here also we have to start from ones column. At ones column, here is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And as 3 is alone, there comes number 3. We can say that 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. Okay? $60 plus 20. As these are two-digit addition, here also we have to start from ones column. At ones column, here we have 0 plus 0, so we get 0. 6 plus 2, we get number 8. 37 plus 42. 7 plus 2, we get 9. 3 plus 4, we get 7. 37 plus 42, we get 79. So my dear student, till here we have completed our revision we had complete the revision of addition at the following in previous lecture. From here we are going to start learning new sums. So now you all have to write with me. Get ready with your notebook and pencil, because now you all have to write with me. Okay? Write down the sum 5050 plus 1010. 5050 plus 1010. Write the numbers in proper sequence at proper place. This column is called tens column and this is called ones column. Okay? So 5050 plus 1010. Is everyone complete the sum? Now whenever we are going to solve two-digit sums, we must start counting from ones place. Here at ones place we have 0 plus 0, which means 0. Everyone note down the answer. 0 plus 0, we get 0. Done. Now move towards tens column. That is 5 plus 1. Here is 5 plus 1. Now see what will be the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1, we get 6. 5050 plus 1010, answer is 6060. Everyone copy this sum properly in your notebook. Make sure, my dear students, that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Next sum is 3030 plus 6060. 3030 plus 6060. Now think in your mind, how can we solve this sum? What should I do if I want to solve this sum? First of all, we have to solve the ones column. This one. 0 plus 0, we get 0. Next we have 3 plus 6. Which digits we have? 3 plus 6. So now, what will be the answer? You want to count? Very good. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6, we get 9. Everyone, note down the answer. 3030 plus 6060, we get 9090. Okay. Write down the sum. 44 plus 2020. 44 plus 20. Write the sums on its proper place. Okay. Now start solving the sum. First of all, we are going to solve ones column. There is a 4 plus 0. Now, my dear students, tell me, how can we solve this sum? By adding 0 to any of the number, we get the same number. That means 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Write down the answer. Start moving towards tens column. There is 4 plus 2. Here is 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2, we get 6. 44 plus 20 is equal to 64. Everyone, copy the sum in your book. Very good. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. Okay, my dear? Here we are going to start writing the next one. It is 5353 plus 1414. 53 plus 14. Okay? How you have to write the numbers? At tens place there comes 5. At ones place there comes 3. Plus 1414. Where number 1 comes at tens place and number 4 at ones place. Okay? Now, how can we solve this sum? First of all, we have to solve this ones column. It is 3 plus 4. Now see, my dear students, how many fingers are all together? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Each and every one copy the answer in your book. 3 plus 4 we get 7. Okay. Now at tens place there comes 5 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1. This is 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 we get 6. Everyone copy it in your book. Very good. 53 plus 14 we get 67. Make sure, my dear, that write the numbers on its proper place. Okay. 47 plus 21. Write down the sum. 47 plus 21. 4, 7, 47 plus 2, 1, 21. First, we are going to solve the ones column, that is 7 plus 1. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 plus 1 we get 8. Everyone write down number 8 in your book. Now start solving tens column, that is 4 plus 2. See how many fingers are all together? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4 plus 2 we get number 6. Okay. 47 plus 21 is equal to 68. Next one is 63 plus 14. 63 plus 14. Write the numbers properly, huh? At tens place, write down number 6. At ones place, number 3 plus 14. Now, first of all, we will solve ones column, that is 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 63 plus 14. The answer is 77. Everyone copy the sum and answer properly in your book. 63 plus 14 we get number 77. Okay. You all are enjoying? You all are understanding the sum properly? Wants to write something more? Okay, then write the next sum. It is 14 plus 41. Each and every one, copy the sum properly in your book. 1 4 14 plus 4 1 41. My dear students, write the numbers on its proper place. Write the sum properly. 1 4 14 plus 4 1 41. First of all, we are going to solve the ones column. There is 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 plus 1 we get 5. We have completed counting of ones column. So now what is remaining there? There still remains tens column for solution. Here we have number 1 plus 4 at tens place. 1 plus 4. You want to count with me? You all are enjoying, na? You can try it with your hands also, so that you can understand the concept well. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4, we get 5. 1 4 14 plus 4 1 41, we get number 55. Write the next sum, which is 23 plus 36. Everyone, write down the sum 23 plus 36. Now first of all, we are going to solve ones column. 3 plus 6. Let's count it together. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6, we get 9. My dear students, here we have solved the ones column. There still remains tens column, and there is 2 plus 3. Now let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3, we get number 5. 23 plus 36 is equal to 59. Here we are going to write the next sum. 9090 plus 8. Everyone note down the answers sum properly. 9090 plus 8. And yes, write number 8 at ones place. You should not write it here at tens place. So while you are writing the numbers, keep one thing in your mind, that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. So at ones place we have 0 plus 8. We get 8. 9 plus, there is not any number, that means we have to write number 9. 9090 plus 8, we get 98. My dear students, the revision of at the following completes here. Although you have to revise both the chapters which are having exercise of addition in it, which is chapter number 2 and chapter number 6. Now we are going to read and write table of 5. Everyone note down the heading TABLE, table OF of 5. Table of 5. Okay. So read and write with me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So, everyone completed the sum. Now, I am going to read the table one more time, so that if anyone remains to complete the writing part, they can complete it. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. Now it's time to note down the homework. So in your homework you have to write revision of add the following one time in maths fair book. While writing, make sure that you have to write the numbers properly on its proper place and in proper sequence. Okay, don't forget to write the sums properly and count the sums properly. Everyone at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.